Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically add events and locations from your emails to Google Maps, saving you tons of time. The magic happens through a feature in Gmail. First, make sure you're signed into the same Google account across Gmail, Calendar, and Maps. When you get an email with event details like a flight confirmation, hotel booking, a restaurant reservation, Gmail will automatically recognize it. Look for a smart prompt at the top of the email. It will say something like Add to Calendar or Add to Google Maps. If you click Add to Calendar, the event is created with the date, time, and location. Now, here's the Maps part. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture and go to Settings. Look for Notifications and make sure event reminders are turned on. Once that's enabled, any event in your calendar with a location will automatically show up in Google Maps before the event starts. You'll get a notification with the travel, time, and one-tap directions. You can also see your upcoming events and reservations by tapping the Saved tab at the bottom of Maps. Then going to Reservations, and that's it. Your travel plans and events now flow seamlessly from your email to your calendar and right into your navigation. If this automates your planning, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.